What was the best "you have no power here" moment you have ever seen? 1. I used to work for an annoying manager when I worked at McDonald's. This guy was horrible to us. He was constantly bullying us, talking us to customers, and doing everything in his power to make us miserable. Well, so many people complained about him that he ended up getting fired. New manager was great. He was super chill and understanding with us all. A couple weeks after he took over, the old comes in and starts talking about how terrible the store looks, how our service is than ever, and how much this store needs him. The new manager looked at him and said, "If you don't leave, then the cops are gonna make you." When the didn't move, new awesome manager stuck to his guns and called the cops. The is no longer allowed on any McDonald's property in the city and has a restraining order against him. 2. I told my ex I was getting remarried. He told me he was going to stop me and put a lane on my house, which I bought with my money 6 years after the divorce. My son would come home from visitations telling me how his dad was going to stop the wedding and I'd have to pay him all of this money. La-di-da. Get to court. His attorney goes blah 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 for what felt like forever. My lawyer, yes, I had to freaking get one, stands up and simply hands the judge the divorce papers showing the disbursement of funds and how my ex isn't owed anything. Judge looks at ex's lawyer and basically asks, "Did you even ask for this document before filing?" and dismisses the